Central banks all over the world are rushing to create central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. Ripple is at the center of this change. XRP is quickly becoming the best way for governments and financial institutions to move money between countries that doesn't cost a lot of money and works well. Some countries have already started to test Ripple's technology, and others are looking into how XRP could be used as a link between digital and traditional banking. This isn't just another story about how crypto is being used. If XRP is added to the financial systems of big economies, it could become the most important currency for doing business around the world. But why do central banks want to use Ripple? What does this mean for the price and future of XRP? Today, we talk about which countries are thinking about using XRP as their digital currency, how Ripple's technology is changing banks around the world, and what XRP holders need to know about this big change in the world of money. The world's banking system is going through a huge change. Old-fashioned banking networks are slow, expensive, and not up to date. It's getting harder for states to adapt to the digital world. This is why central banks around the world are making central bank digital currencies, which are digital versions of their own national currencies. But it's hard to see how these CBDCs in different countries can be linked. At the moment, foreign transactions depend on fast but old banking systems that charge a lot of fees and can take days to process payments. The goal of CBDCs is to fix this, but most central banks don't have a clear way to make the payments cross-bred. That's where XRP and blockchain technology come in. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, XRP was made to make trades quick and cheap. The on-demand liquidity ODDL system from Ripple lets banks and payment providers quickly move money between different currencies without having to fund their accounts first. Because of this, it is a perfect answer for CBDC interoperability, which lets different digital currencies be traded quickly and easily. The world's governments and banks are aware that they need a system that works everywhere. That's why a lot of people are interested in Ripple's technology to power the next wave of banks. But what role does Ripple play in this CBDC movement? We will talk about Ripple's growing role in working with central banks and how it might change the way the financial system works. One name keeps coming up: Ripple. Central banks are in a hurry to make CBDCs. Ripple has been working with states, which is different from many other crypto projects. It wants financial companies and government agencies to use its technology in the world's financial system. It's now clear that XRP could be a very important part of digital money in the future. A system called on-demand liquidity from Ripple is already being used by banks and payment providers to quickly settle foreign transactions, which would let central banks trade digital currencies right away without the need for traditional banking infrastructure. Ripple has already teamed up with central banks and financial regulators around the world to make deals. Ripple announced its CBDC platform in 2023. This platform uses blockchain technology to let central banks create, control, and distribute digital currencies. Ripple's technology is fully scalable and can be changed to fit government-level financial systems, which is different from other crypto options. But why is XRP so important? Not like private digital assets or steady coins. XRP is not biased. It's not connected to any one country or government. Because of this, it is a great way for deals between different CBDCs to be settled. XRP could become the normal way to send digital money around the world if central banks use Ripple's technology for international payments. Then which countries already work with Ripple? Also, is it possible for XRP to become the foundation of all state digital currencies? Let us take a look at the countries that are really thinking about using XRP for their CBDCs. Several countries are already looking into Ripple's technology for their central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. Other countries are testing its possibilities in secret. As more countries switch to using blockchain for their money systems, XRP could become an important part of how money goes between countries. Ripple's announcement of agreements with several central banks to help build and test CBDCs was one of the most important events. One of the first organizations to work directly with Ripple was the Bhutan Royal Monetary Authority. which used its CBDC platform to look into making a digital version of the Bhutanese ngutram. This was a big sign that countries are paying attention to Ripple's technology. Palau is another important player. It is working with Ripple to look into making a national digital currency. The government of Palau sees blockchain as a way to help more people get access to money and make the country's payment system work better for everyone. Palau is building a stable and safe digital currency system with the help of Ripple. Besides these official partnerships, there are also signs of interest from a number of other big economies. This is the European Central Bank. ECB and several Asian countries are working hard to make digital currencies that can be used in both places. Many people think that XRP can be used as a bridge asset between different CBDCs because Ripple already works with banks in these areas. But why XRP? The answer needs to be quick, scalable, and cheap for governments and central banks. XRP trades settle quickly and with low fees, unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum. If more than one country uses Ripple's method for sending CBDC across borders, XRP has the potential to become an important part of the world's banking system. What do financial experts think about the future of XRP now that all of these things have happened? Could these agreements cause prices to go through the roof? Let's see what experts have to say about XRP's place in the world of banking. Experts in finance are becoming more interested in XRP's role in the future of money now that Ripple is making moves in the CBDC and global banking sectors. A few people think that XRP could become the main currency of the internet, while others are still not sure how quickly adoption will happen. One thing is for sure, though, Ripple is setting itself up to be a big player in the money world. When it comes to real-world banking solutions, top experts have said that XRP's technology is a long way ahead of most other cryptocurrencies. XRP was made to make money transfers quick and easy, unlike Bitcoin, which is used to keep value, or Ethereum, which is all about smart contracts. The price of XRP could go up a lot if central banks and other financial firms add it to their systems. The price of XRP is also being closely watched by technical experts. A lot of people think that institutional usage is the most important thing that could start a big rally. On-chain data shows that whales or big buyers have been buying a lot of XRP. This is usually a sign that something big is about to happen. Our XRP price could go up if CBDC is accepted by financial institutions and they start using it on a large scale. But some experts are still being careful. They say that Ripple's technology is still being tried and won't be widely used for a while, but clear rules are still very important, especially in places like the US where Ripple is currently in court fights. A clear global framework for crypto assets may keep some institutions from fully integrating XRP until that time comes. Still, Ripple's growth in Asia and Europe shows that the business is really moving forward. XRP is becoming more important in global finance. Banks are already using RippleNet and governments are trying its CBDC solutions. What should people who own XRP do now? Or is there still a long way to go? Should they get ready for a huge change in prices? Here are some things that buyers should keep an eye on in the next few months. There are a few important things that investors need to keep an eye on as XRP gains traction in global banks. The next few months could be very important in deciding whether XRP becomes an important part of the financial system or if more problems